Today's story is If You Give a Cat a Cupcake, written by Laura Numeroff, illustrated by Felicia Bond. The title page, If You Give a Cat a Cupcake. If you give a cat a cupcake, he'll ask for some sprinkles to go with it. When you give him the sprinkles, he might spill some on the floor. Uh-oh. Cleaning up will make him hot, so you'll have to give him a bathing suit and take him to the beach. He'll want to go in the water. And build a sandcastle too. Then he'll look for seashells. I wonder what will happen next. Oh boy. He'll find a few other things as well. He'll put them in his pail and try to pick it up, but it'll be too heavy. He'll decide he needs to work out at the gym. Here's all the things he found. First, he'll warm up on the treadmill. Then he'll lift a weight or two. He might even try a karate class. I wonder what happens after karate. After the gym, he'll want to go to the park. When you get there, he'll see the rocks. He'll climb as high as he can go. At the top, he'll see the lake. What do you think he's going to want to do at the lake? What makes you think that? What in the book makes you think that? He'll want you to take him rowing. He'll be the captain, and you'll have to row. Who do you see down there? What does that remind you of? Then he'll notice the merry-go-round and want to go for a ride. He'll want you to go for a ride too. You'll choose the horse with the purple mane. He'll get on the whale. The whale will remind him of the Science Museum. He'll ask you to take him there. First, he'll find the dinosaurs. Then he'll visit the Hall of Apes. When the museum closes, you'll be the last to leave. On the way home, you'll pass by the beach. You'll help him gather all of his things. Then he'll want to race you. Oh goodness. Are you ready for this one? When you get home, he'll empty the sand from his shoes. He might spill some on the floor. Oh goodness. What do you think is going to happen now that there's sand all over the floor? Seeing the sand on the floor will remind him of the sprinkles. He'll probably ask you for some. Why does the sand remind him of the sprinkles? What happened with the sprinkles that's happening with the sand? And chances are, if you give him some sprinkles, what is he going to want now? He'll want a cupcake to go with him. The end. So for this book, I want you to write down who the characters are, where they were, the setting, the problem that they had, and the solution.